The city keeps throwing good money after bad. Despite having a staff of 14 city attorneys, the council has for years paid private lawyers millions of tax dollars to fight what multiple courts have found to be a losing battle. Current and former elected officials say their colleagues playing politics amounts to all of them playing fast and loose with taxpayers' money. Dirty dealings have defined the Badlands battle from the start.
Politics can be driven by money, and in this case, it very much was.
That's former Ward 2 Councilman Bob Beers in 2019, describing how he was ready to wave the white flag years before. Now, the city has no choice after losing its appeal in the first Badlands case to land before the Nevada Supreme Court. In this case, the city's appeal involves a 35-acre parcel, which a lower court judge ruled the city illegally took from developer Johann Lowy by repeatedly denying his permits to develop homes on the defunct golf course he owns.
I hate to say I told you so.
Badlands is in Las Vegas City Councilwoman Victoria Siemens' ward since her election in June of 2019. You made it a campaign promise that you were going to resolve this. Why couldn't you get it done?
I made a campaign promise that I was going to try and resolve this, but it takes 4 votes. And when you get onto a council that got us into this mess, and you're trying to get them to say you were wrong, it was utterly impossible.
In Thursday's ruling, the Nevada Supreme Court said the city's decision to fight the residential zoning of Badlands was a bad one with no basis in law. As 13 Investigates first reported, it was a battle backed by a handful of wealthy Queensridge homeowners who didn't want development on the shuttered golf course behind their homes.
Approved. Documented.
Former Ward 2 Councilman Steve Soroka tried to appease those homeowners by falsely telling them Badlands was open recreational space. But it's not a city park. It's private property, and it always has been.
We've litigated this issue for approximately 6 years against the city of Las Vegas. There have been 4 Nevada District Court judges who've ruled in favor of the landowner at every stage of the litigation.
And now the Supreme Court joins that list. Justices found that statements and actions of city representatives and employees rendered Johann Lowy's efforts to develop his own land futile. The city council repeatedly denied Lowy's permit applications, even though their own planning staff recommended approval.
The city was going to stop development on this property by any means necessary.
Why?
That's the proverbial question. I wish we knew.
The Supreme Court opinion notes former City Councilman Bob Coffin's statements, which 13 Investigates first exposed in 2018. In a group text, then Councilman Coffin wrote that he was looking for, quote, intel on the scum behind the golf course takeover, adding, dirt will be handy if I need to get rough. Coffin also directed others to use personal emails to discuss Badlands to keep it hidden from public view and from a previously issued subpoena. We questioned Coffin about that in our original report.
On an email or a text message to someone, particularly someone who needs to hear that someone feels the same way they do, then I think that it's really, I don't care what I say.
The Supreme Court cared, and they cited Coffin's inflammatory language as just some of the evidence where the city, quote, showed a general hostility to allowing any development on the site.
It was not only political, it was downright embarrassing for our city.
The High Court's ruling seems to underscore that, pointing out how city attorneys have contradicted themselves in court briefings and provided no evidence that purported public opposition was a valid basis to deny Lowy's development applications. What is next here? Just more court and a never-ending bleeding of tax dollars in this case?
I still have hope that maybe the developer will come to the city and we can actually settle this. I have hope, but I'm not sure that's going to happen.
That did happen once before, a few years ago, when the case was almost settled for $64 million, which in the big picture would have been pennies on the dollar. The agreement fell apart at the 11th hour when Lowy's legal team said the city made unagreed upon changes. City attorneys have said in court that this decision by the Nevada Supreme Court would resolve all issues in all of the cases. We'll be keeping tabs to see if the city keeps its word. The 3 remaining cases involve the rest of the Badlands parcels, and if the city keeps fighting, the final tab for taxpayers could be well over $500 million. Darcy Spears, 13 Investigates.